If you have issues with the Bluetooth device not connecting properly to your Google Pixel 10, here's what you can do in order to try to solve your issues. So first of all, we're gonna go to settings. Let's open connected devices. And the first thing that we can do is go to connection preferences, open Bluetooth, and you can turn off Bluetooth and turn off your Bluetooth device. Afterwards, we can turn on Bluetooth back again and turn back on your Bluetooth device. Then we're gonna go back into the connected devices, and you might be able to immediately connect to your Bluetooth device. If not, what you can try to do is go to the settings of your Bluetooth device, if you can find it over here in media devices or save devices, and then you can simply forget the device. Now we're gonna turn off our device again, turn it back on, and if possible, put it into the pairing mode. I know that some Bluetooth devices do not have this pairing mode, you cannot really turn it on or off, so in that case you need to be sure that your Bluetooth device is not connected to any other device. And afterwards you should be able to go to pair new device in order to find your device over here on this list, and of course you should be able to try to pair again. Now, if that is still not possible, you might want to factory reset your device. I cannot really show you how to exactly perform the hard reset of your Bluetooth device because every Bluetooth device has its own way. So you have to, for example, find a manual or something, some instructions that will tell you how to do so. And afterwards, try to pair your device again on your Google Pixel 10. However, if that is still not possible for some reason, what you can also do is go back to settings, scroll down to system, and then over here in system, go to the bottom of this list in order to find reset options. And then we have reset the Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Unfortunately, these two things cannot be separated. So if you decide to reset Bluetooth, you will also reset Wi-Fi. And this means you will have to reconnect to your Wi-Fi networks because they will be erased. Same goes with, of course, all your Bluetooth devices. But once you reset your Bluetooth, then we can go back, of course, to connected devices and try once again to pair your Bluetooth device with your Google Pixel 10. And hopefully this time it will work. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.